In this video, I will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on this Nokia G22. So firstly, make sure that your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store app, sign in to your Google account if you haven't already, then look for the Opera app. Then you can start its download either directly from the search results, or you can also open its app page. Doesn't matter what route you choose, since they will practically lead you to the identical results. So now we gotta wait for the app to be downloaded and installed, which, as you will see now, does not take a lot of time, depending on how fast is your Wi-Fi connection, anywhere between 10 to 20, 30 seconds at most. So once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera for the first time after the installation, you gotta undergo a very simple setup procedure. So in here, tap at the blue continue button, then choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat, or you can absolutely skip this step. And finally, at this page, you can either customize the permissions that the Opera will have an access to, or basically the data that it will be able to collect. Or you can simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.